the year. Did you see
Yeah, I
outside?
know. It's like, I was like, is this all just for Manila's Finest? Sabi like,
Yeah.
yes. Sabi, whoa, bongga.
Parang nahiya kami, may tag-isa pa kaming waiter. As in,
Talaga?
ganong level. Oo.
Gusto ko yung food.
Dude, yeah,
We just served
Via
it.
Mare.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
guys are serving.
Thank you. But masabi ko baka masanay kami masyado sa'yo, ah. Naganto yung ano, ah.
Hindi,
Ganto yung
hindi naman sa akin
pa-production.
to.
Oo.
Hindi sa akin to.
Oh, but no, Manila's Finest. Like, para
Yeah.
it's just a preview of what's, you know, how big this production is.
Yeah, I mean, I wasn't really aware of how big this was gonna be, and then I got to the set and saw the whole team. I was like amazed, super amazed. How they transformed the whole set to like the 60s, 70s. I've never been in a set like that. Kasi. Well, I've been in, well, not really this type of movie, but in a TV series, yes, but in a movie, never. So it's just really different. It's really different what I'm used to before. So
Yeah.
which is really cool. It's really cool.
Yeah, but I do know kasi ever since you after the break, then you did your own production, etc.
Yeah.
You've been very kumbaga ano, talagang a stickler for what kind of stories you wanna push out.
Yeah.
Also
Yeah.
for the industry.
Yes. Yeah, I want to push the limits of what we can do and what we can put out for the people, and not only for local, but sana, we try to release content na medyo hyper local for, so hopefully we get the space in the international market. Hopefully that's the biggest dream. I mean, if Koreans are doing it, why not we? Diba?
Oo.
Feeling ko we're very, very capable of doing
Oo.
it. So hopefully, a lot of more people push the same vision as what we
And gabi rin,
want.
gabi rin kayo ni Papa P dito, talagang give kayo dun sa mga character
Yeah.
nyo. What do you love about who you're playing here?
It's just, first of all, it's very uncanny character, totally out of the box compared to what I'm used to. That means struggles. Coming as a new guy in the force, there's so much in his plate. There's so many things that he needs to prove to himself, but not only to himself, but to all the people around him as well. And doing that while in this whole fiasco of problems and situations, and it's really hard. You can see it from the get-go. Sa una pa lang, the complications are already there. And how do you work around that, diba? How do you survive and thrive in the force at those times, with all of it? So that's basically what
It
it's all
talks
about.
about ano rin pala, no? Parang corruption and power tripping.
It's also a big part of it as well. Of course, I mean, it's been running ever since before.
Oh.
So it's really sad to know that nothing's really changed in our justice system. Yun lang, there's a lot of injustices still. But more than anything, the story is about service, about brotherhood, about not giving up, and fighting for the truth, fighting for justice, and fighting for your integrity, and just to be a decent human being at the end of the day.
Decent human being.
Trying
Yun
to be,
yun. Yun yun.
we should all try to be
Decent.
decent human beings.
Grabe. But it won't stop for you. When are you flying to Prague?
I'm flying really soon, actually. By December 16, I'll be flying to Spain muna to visit my family. Then from there, going to Prague na diretso to, maraming kailangan pag gawin doon.
Do they know your family in Spain? What's been up with you here?
Yeah, they know.
How was reaction nila? Parang you're everywhere.
Yeah, I mean, they're happy kasi, I've been cooped up in the house for too long. So they're just happy I'm going back in the grind, and they're really supportive naman. And sabi nila they're gonna visit me in Prague when they're there kasi super quick lang daw from Spain. So at least may makikita na naman sila sa Prague next year.
And speaking of you putting yourself out there, how would you where's your headspace at right now? Kamusta ka? Parang how proud are you sa sarili mo for doing?
Hindi pa surreal.
Sabi mo,
it's there na.
No, sabi mo you were cooped up in the house. We
Yeah.
saw, we didn't, kumbaga na-miss ka ng fans mo, and now we're going full blast.
Yeah, I think kasi it takes a while to prepare din. Almost like 3 years since we started the production company with a group of guys that we were just talking, at home, and then here we are, closing deals with MVP, and then we're producing a series, and we closed another TV series for panghapon naman sa sports called the working title ba, but it's aligned with volleyball. It's for our afternoon time slot for TV5. So I'm really happy that we're going to be doing that as well, and more pa. Actually, the other day, Miss Jane was just asking for more projects to pitch, movies and TV series. I think they're also going full blast. So the team's kind of working like non-stop right now, trying to come up with more projects and titles, which is very exciting for us and our TV5. So yeah.
Gabi yung parang na-shock na ano ka ba
Ang dami
nun?
nangyari kahapon. So ang dami tumatawag sa akin. Sakit ng ulo, I was bedridden yesterday.
Hindi ka na pwedeng artista lang. Hindi ka na pwedeng
No,
cute
that's
na
why I
lang.
have my team. Yung team
Yeah.
ko magaling. So
Oo.
wala sila, hindi ko kaya to.
Oo,
talaga.
nagulat ka ba? Napasubo ka ba? Hindi
At
naman.
first, kasi
Oo.
pati yung location
Oo.
hunting and thinking about the DOPs and everything
Oo.
and then the budgets of the artists and talent fees. I'm like,
Ay.
whoa.
So, kamusta? Na nakita mo yung mga budget?
Okay naman.
ikaw yung ganun bayaran eh.
Oo nga, parang wala na kami kinikita. Hindi,
Ganun ba? Ganun
konti na
pala.
lang kita namin. No, but more than anything, I just want to get one out there,
Oo.
And then, hopefully, it does really well and
Oo.
hindi na siya titigil.
Grabe, nagpapa-TF ka na, Ken. Ibang
Hindi
level.
naman.
Baka kailangan ng reporter doon. Parang mataas mo pa TF si Ken eh.
Na-mention mo na
Oo.
flying out ka this December. Paano yung promo na? Nandito ka ba ng business?
I've been doing promo. So, until the 15th.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna be doing promo hanggang December 15th and then I have to leave na. Which was all talked about prior to me accepting the film. Sabi ko, I'm sorry but I have to do so much stuff. So, hanggang December 15th lang po ako.
Wala siya sa flow.
I won't be there to flow. But yeah.
Kamusta
so,
siya? Oo.
I won't.
Ako, paano yun?
I know.
Nanalo ka ng award.
Hindi
Yeah!
Si Piolo mananalo dyan.
Oo!
Si Piolo mananalo.
Grabe.
Ang daming blessings ngayon 2025. Paano
Yes,
mo i-wrap up yung year?
Um,
Dami nangyari.
I think this wraps up the 2025. I wasn't expecting to actually super biglaan lang kasi ito eh. So this wasn't really in my plans for 2025, but I'm so happy it is. So I think it's a great way to end off the year and to start off with the next year with my new TV series. I think everything's really going really well. So I'm really happy, super happy.
Fun question lang, ang dami mong
Sure.
ginagawa. Paano ang love life?
Ngayon? Wala na eh. We'll see. Hopefully maybe 2026, maybe. We'll see, I don't know. If it comes, it comes, but
Yeah.
I'm open.
You mentioned, hininga ka na ng pictures. Before na-mention mo na you really wanted to do this
Yeah.
horror project na niluluto mo. Different kind of horror. Have you pitched that?
Oh no, that's still in the
Still in
back.
the
But
back.
I'm definitely gonna do that for sure because that's my dream project.
Talaga?
Yeah,
It's still
but
your project.
regarding another horror, I think we might do something else first with my cousin Ding Dong. Yeah. So it's a co-production, me and Ding Dong, and we're both starring in it as well. It's
Wow.
really cool. I think Netflix already picked it up.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, for next
Baka hindi
year.
mo pa pwede sabihin niya.
Wala. Yeah, anyway, but
Yeah. Well, baka na. Kasi marami sila local.
Ang daming views
Oo.
ng teaser nyo ni Blind, yung A Secret in
Oo.
Blind.
Yun na nga.
Grabe.
Yun
Dami
na nga.
nag-aabang sa team up nyo, reaction nyo.
Oo nga.
I'm super happy. Maraming salamat po sa support and sa pagmamahal. And I'm just so excited to start shooting already and filming. Kasi halos wala pa talaga kami material. We only shot a teaser. Anyway, yeah, para na may mapalabas kami. But promise you guys, kakaibang Ken, kakaibang Blind na makita. Napakaangas si Blind dito. And we have more stars coming up as well in the show, but we can't really announce it yet. But marami na kami na-close in the past few days.
Friends ba kayo ni Blythe prior to this? Like, ano yung nagkikita, nag-uusap ba kayo?
We just see each other.
Oo,
and stuff. We're
oo.
just like, hi,
Cash,
hello.
cash,
Yeah, but she was
casual.
always cute, She was always
Oo.
cute, like always in the corner and stuff. And I think it's just about time na magkasama kami. And I think, she's really pretty. One of the most
Oo.
beautiful women. She
Yeah.
just won something. So that's really, really good for her. And she's a new cover girl for this calendar. And she's just really killing it right now. So I'm super happy and proud of her. And we're gonna kill it in our show as well. So,
Yes! Parang teammates.
And I think
We're gonna kill it.
Yung mga ginagawa niya is really aligned with her role and
Yeah.
what she's gonna be
She wants to
performing
be.
here in
Yeah.
the show. So it's just really perfect for her. So yeah.
We can't wait. We
I
can't
can't
wait
wait.
for the stills. Thank you, Ken. Thank you.
Picture
Yeah.
na lang, picture.
Picture.